So if you've never solved a So the first thing you do is find the white centerpiece and hold that on top. Next, what you do is solve the white cross, but we also need the colors on the side to line up. So here's how you do it. Find a white piece on the bottom layer, like this one, but not this one. This one is a corner piece. It has 3 colors on it. We want these ones, these edge ones in the middle. So we're gonna take this one, make sure you have the white on top, take this piece from the bottom, and just move it along the bottom until you find that it's underneath the correct colored center. So this one's white and green, and this one is a green center. So then what you do once it's there is just move it up to the top by turning the green face 180 degrees. So basically just Alright, once you've solved the whole cross, make sure all these side colors match up with the centers as well, then just turn the cube upside down. So now I'm going to teach you a really important sequence of 4 moves that will help you with everything else in the cube. So just hold the cube like I am, put your left thumb on the front here, and then put your right thumb on the bottom, fingers up here, and then do this. Turn the right side up, turn the top with your right hand, like that, turn the right side down, and then turn the top with your left hand like this. Now just repeat that. So right side up, push with the right hand, right side down, push with the left hand. So do it a few times so you can do it quick, and now we're also going to be learning how to do that with our left hand, because it's going to be important as well. So hold your left hand like this, right thumb on front, and then move up with your left hand, push with your left hand, move down, and push with your right hand. Up, push with the left, down, push with right. Okay, so once you can do both of those, we're now going to be solving the rest of the white side. So what you have to do is look in the top for a corner with white on it, such as this one, and then look at the other colors on it as well. This is green and this is orange. So these 3 make up one piece, and so we have to look at where that needs to go. So it goes between the white, green, and orange centers. White, orange, green. So it goes over here. So we're gonna move the top until it goes right on top of where it should go. And then now you can insert this into here using 2 different ways. And one way is by holding it on the right side like this, and then doing the right hand 4 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4. And oh, it just happened to be solved. But sometimes you'll have to repeat it before it ends up being solved. So here's another example. Here's white, green, red. So it goes between white, green, and red centers. So we're going to move the top until it goes right up above where it should go. And then we're going to repeat those moves. But this time it's on the left side. So we could actually do that with our left hand. So once, not solved yet, twice, 3 times, and there we go. you.